Okay, good morning, everybody, and welcome to our Essentials 40S class. So today what we're going to do, or actually we're going to do two things. I will first go over these questions with you. Question number 1, A, B, C, D, and E. And then we're going to go straight to finishing up the lesson number 2, which is Sine Law. Okay, so let's get started. So this is assignment number 2. I'm going to do that I'm going to do it on a separate sheet of paper so that I can show all of my work, because it seems like I don't have a lot of space in here to show all of my work. Okay, so this is assignment number 2 on page 14. Okay, so this is number 1A. It says here, determine the length of the side labeled X, okay, or the size of the angle labeled theta. Okay, we're just going to focus on the calculating side length because that's what we did yesterday. That's what we talked about. So let's take a look at letter A. I'm just going to do a quick draw of the picture here. This is 39, 53, 12, and then there's this X. Okay, so now that we have this all kind of labeled or drawn, what I'm going to do is we're actually going to look at the pairings, angle and side pairing. So this angle 39 degrees here is actually paired up with its opposite side, 12 centimeters. And then this 53-degree angle over here is paired up with this side X. And that's the one that we are actually trying to solve. Okay, so let's just do that. Now, if you prefer, we can label the angles and sides. Okay, we could do that, or we can just, like as we can see here, those are paired up and this are paired up. Okay, so I'll just do that, and this will save us a little bit of time. Remember that the formula is along the top it's A divided by the sine of A, B divided by the sine of angle B, and then C divided by the sine of angle C. So I'm just going to pair this up. So I'll start off with the side, 12 centimeters, divided by the sine of the pair angle, so which is 39 degrees, equals, and then this one here, I got the X as a side, and then divided by the sine of 53 degrees. Okay, so these are pairs, side and angle, and this is the side that's missing, and then this is the pair angle. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to try to solve for X, and you can see that this X is being divided by sine of 53. What we're going to do is we're just going to take that sine of 53 and cross multiply that. Okay, so we're going to cross multiply it to 12. This becomes 12 times, I'm going to use the brackets to indicate multiplication. And then it's still being divided by sine 39 equals to X. Okay, so as you can see, X is now isolated. Isolated meaning 1 is by itself. So we're just going to go to our calculator here, and type this in. Okay, now before we start typing all of our answers in or calculate all of these in, we have to make sure that our calculator says degree mode. Okay, so degree, and so it is degrees. I can just go 12 times sine of 53 divided by sine of 39 divided by sine 39. Okay, so 15 point, And if I'm going to round it off to 2 decimal places, it's going to be 15.23 because it will be rounded up to 2 decimal places. Okay, so that's going to be 15.23. And because we're talking about the missing side or the unknown side, sides are measured in centimeters. So 15.23 centimeters is equals to x. Okay, so that's that part, and that's your answer. Let's take a look at question number B, or letter B. The picture looks like this. And 70 degrees. Okay, so what are we solving in here? We're solving for x, which is right there. Okay,